Dodo's Chore Challenge!
Mommy, I want to play with my little train.
Okay.
Choo-choo! Oh? Right turn! Who's knocking at the door? Oh?
It's me. Open the door.
Uncle Labrador! Uncle, I haven't seen you in so long! I missed you!
Oh?
Come play with me, quick!
Oh, phew. Uncle's back from Water City with a gift.
Whoa! A candy machine!
Not just any candy machine. It's Water City Hero Candy Machine. Complete the challenges and get the candy.
Challenges?
First challenge, get the toys home. Put all the toys back where they belong.
Huh? That's a lot. Can I do it later? Huh?
Nope. You can only have the Water City Pop Rocks after you complete the challenge.
Whoa! I'll do it right now! Oops! Huh?
Take it slow. There's a better way. Let's use the train to take them home.
Uh-huh! Oh? All done! Let's go!
Good job, Dodo. First challenge done.
Wow! Wow! So yummy!
Huh?
Can I have another one?
Then it's time for the second challenge. Wash the clothes.
Okay! Oh, so heavy!
Watch out! Oh?
It's my robot!
Before doing the wash, always check the pockets first. Good job! Second challenge done!
Wow! Phew! It's hot!
Drink some water.
Thanks! Huh? Uncle! The flowers are thirsty too! I want to give them a drink!
Wow! That's so sweet, Dodo. Let's water the flowers together.
Okay! Yep.
Dodo, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Flowers are delicate. Let's turn the water down a bit. Here you go.
Got it!
Dodo, you did awesome today. You completed 2 challenges and helped water the flowers. You took care of the plants and saved water too. Such a caring little hero. You can have 2 more Pop Rocks just for you.
Woohoo!
Oh?
Uncle, you have one too.
Thanks, Dodo.
Yay!